back to MVP Autos, the place where speed meets style, and the roar of the engine is music to our ears. If you're passionate about the finest machines ever made, you're in the right place. Let's jump into today's masterpiece, the 2025 Ferrari Monza. Ferrari has always stood at the intersection of art and engineering, and the 2025 Monza is another perfect expression of that philosophy. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Monza doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. Its design is inspired by the classic Barchettas of the 1950s, but don't be fooled by the retro influence. Under the hood and through every inch of carbon fiber, this car is built for the future. The 2025 Monza is part of Ferrari's Icona series, a lineup that pays tribute to the brand's legendary past while using the most advanced technology available today. It's essentially a track-focused, open cockpit speedster that looks like it's been sculpted by the wind itself. Every curve, every line, is there for a reason, either to enhance aerodynamics or to make your jaw drop. Now let's talk power. The Monza is equipped with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that delivers a monstrous 830 horsepower. That's right, no turbo, no hybrid, just pure, old-school Ferrari muscle tuned to perfection. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed north of 190 miles per hour. The throttle response is instant, the acceleration brutal, and the sound pure symphony. This Ferrari is more than just numbers. Driving the Monza is an experience, an event. There's no windshield, no roof, just you, the road, and the elements. Ferrari provides a custom racing helmet and goggles for drivers, making every ride feel like a Le Mans throwback. It's not a car you drive to blend in. It's a car that announces your arrival before you even show up. Inside, the cockpit is minimalist but beautifully executed. Everything is driver-focused. Leather and carbon fiber dominate the interior, and every control feels like it's been designed with surgical precision. The steering wheel is straight out of an F1 car, complete with all the key controls at your fingertips. No fancy infotainment systems, no distractions, this is a purist's machine. Ferrari is only making a limited number of these, and getting your hands on one is about as easy as winning the lottery. With a price tag upwards of $1.8 million, it's not just a car, it's a collector's item, a piece of history, and an icon in the making. And if you're wondering how it drives, reviewers and test drivers are calling it one of the most exhilarating cars Ferrari has ever made. The balance, the handling, the raw emotion you feel through the wheel, it's unmatched. It's not about lap times or drag races. It's about the experience, the connection between man and machine. So, is the 2025 Ferrari Monza worth all the hype? Absolutely. It's not just a car, it's an expression of everything Ferrari stands for: passion, performance, and pedigree. Thanks for watching MVP Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride. We've got more exotic machines, deep dives, and car culture content coming your way. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your eyes on the road.